Hey everybody, Photoman here. Welcome back to another video. This is the Grad Shack, as known to local and Alberta, a lot of Alberta photographers. It was actually once a 1920s or 1930s house. It sits in a farmer's field currently between Bicycle and Acme. Those are two small towns north of Calgary. And this sits along the a rural highway. Every year, the farmer allows the local graduates to paint over the old names and paint the names of the new graduates. According to my mate Glen, who his link is in the pinned comment on this video, he was informed from a former student that there are 4 names that don't get painted over. Those names are Moose, Ryan, and Kyle, and Greg. These are all names of former students that lost their lives when the high school basketball team was involved in a crash in 2012. A somber note that counteracts yet is embraced by the new graduates